The horse is here.
You stupid.
Joder, Enrique!
This is not okay. This needs to stop now. This is cancer.
Can't stop eating cookies! Boom! Chicken stars? Chicken stars!
I need bleach for my eyes. First we put the bleach on our eyes, and that's it. We will no longer have that cringe meme in our head and eyes.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Okay, it's gelatin? Wait, fire? Oh!
Scout fact. I am 100 meters from your location and approaching rapidly. Start running.
Shut your fucking mouth!
No problem, John.
Shut the fuck up, you cunt!